how to log into your Klarna account after forgetting your password. So all you need to do is first of all get your Klarna from your App Store or Play Store. Then you can simply open the application. Then from here, all you need to do is add in your credentials in order to log in, right? So after doing that, here tap on more in order to log in, and in here simply select your country and then tap on sign in. So after tapping on sign in, all you need to do is first of all add in the email address or your phone number of your account, then tap on continue. Then there will be the option of adding down your password, right? So if you have forgotten your password, there will also be the option of forgot your password under this box on the right side. So all you need to do is simply tap on that option, forgot password. Then it will take you to another link where you'll need to add in the required information of your account, like it could be a date of birth or something like that. You can simply add in all of those informations, and they then go along with the process of how you'll be able to reset your password. And after resetting your password, you can come back and simply add in that password in order to log into your account, and just like that you'll be able to log into your Klarna account after forgetting your password. So if you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.